الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد. Honorable guest, President, teacher and all the students, there were hundreds of thousands of freedom fighters in India's fight against British rule. Many were jailed and a huge number of them were brutally murdered. Their blood gave us the real taste of freedom after a hard and long war. Dear brother, we forgot names of many of them. Maulana Abul Kalam was also a great man and a visionary leader and freedom fighter. He played a major role in every single fight in British India. Every year on 11th November, India celebrates National Educational Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Union Education Minister of Independent India from 1947 to 1958. Dear brother, Azad was born in Makkah, Saudi Arabia in 1888, but his family relocated to Kolkata in order to provide him a better education. In 1912, Azad started publishing Al-Hilal, a weekly that criticized British policies after it was banned. He started another weekly, Al-Balagh, following which the British government banned him under the Defence of India Resolution in 1916. Dear audience, Azad is credited with shaping modern education system of India. It was under his tenure that the first IIT, IIS and UGC were established. Azad was a strong believer in the coexistence of all religious communities. His visits to countries such as Afghanistan, Iraq, Egypt, Syria and Turkey shaped his worldview and his approach towards secular politics. He was deeply affected by the violence witnessed during India's partition. Azad travelled through the violence-affected regions of Bengal, Assam and Punjab and contribution in establishing. Here I conclude my words. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.